DS. There are 3 birds' nests with eggs. What is the standard deviation of numbers of birds' eggs? Condition 1. The average number of eggs in the 3 nests is 8. Condition 2. The highest number of eggs in one of the 3 nests is 12. We will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS. 3 variables. Question. Condition 1. 1 equation. Condition 2. 1 equation. DS question with 3 variables. This question shows how you get the answer E based on the variable approach by setting 3 variables in the original condition. Now, 3 variables would generally require 3 equations to allow us to solve for the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, resulting in a total of 2 equations, one each from condition 1 and condition 2. However, since we need 3 equations to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, the unequal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer E. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the standard deviation of numbers of birds' eggs if there are 3 birds' nests with eggs. We are talking about the standard deviation of 3 values. So let numbers of eggs in the 3 nests be X, Y, and Z respectively. So, our question is to find the standard deviation of X, Y, and Z. Follow the second and third steps. From the original question, we have 3 variables, X, Y, and Z. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E is 80% likely to be the answer. Recall the 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that the average arithmetic mean is 8. That is, X plus Y plus Z over 3 equals 8, or X plus Y plus Z equals 3 times 8, which equals 24. And condition 2 tells us that the highest number of eggs is 12. Say X equals 12. Thus, we get 12 plus Y plus Z equals 24, which is Y plus Z equals 12. But we cannot say anything about Y and Z. So, we cannot get a unique value of the standard deviation, and the conditions combined are not sufficient to answer the question by the common mistake type 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Now, doesn't the variable approach make solving these questions so much easier? And don't forget that if you can't solve the question when writing the exam, you still know the most likely answer. Conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. So, E is the correct answer.